Today we're making something so unbelievably delicious, but so super simple. Look at it, look at it. That's right, we're making chicken stuffed with prosciutto ricotta. Rolled it up with some sweet cherry tomatoes, mozzarella parmigiano. Oh, it's so delicious and so easy. You're gonna love it. Yes, please. For a full copy of today's recipe, check us out on Facebook at Poppy's Cucina, or just wait till the end of the video, it'll be featured right there. Let's do this! Oh yeah! Alright, so the first thing you're going to do in your 9 by 13 baking dish, you're going to add 2 cups of cherry tomatoes that I cut in half, 4 cloves of minced garlic, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So now you're just going to mix this all together, and then you're going to set it aside. Then, in a large bowl, you're going to add 1.5 cups of whole milk ricotta, 1 cup of shredded mozzarella, 1/4 cup of grated parmigiano, 1 large egg, salt and pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon of dried basil, and 1/2 teaspoon of granulated garlic. Now you're going to mix this together and set it aside. Now would be a good time to preheat your oven to 375. So now here I have my 4 large chicken breasts. It's just about 2 pounds. So now we're going to cut these in half. So you want to start at the thicker side and just carefully slice right through. Just like that. So now we're going to do the rest of them. Just like that. And now we're going to pound these out. So I like to put my chicken in a resealable bag because it makes a lot less mess. You don't worry about splashing it everywhere. And also do it on top of a towel. This way it muffles a little bit more of the noise. So these chicken breasts are about a 1/2 inch thick. I really want them to be just under a 1/4 inch thick. So you don't need to pound it out much. Nice, fast, and easy. And the bag prevents you from having chicken juice all over your walls. So now we'll do the rest. Just like that. Then, on each flattened chicken breast, you're going to add 1 slice of prosciutto. And nice and thin. Yeah. Okay, and then we're going to add about a 1/4 cup to like 1/3 cup of the ricotta mixture. Well, this looks like egg salad. We're going to spread this on. Just a nice layer. Like that. And then we're going to roll it up. So from the smaller ends, we're going to go to the deeper ends. You don't have to make it super tight, but as tight as it wants to be. All right, and there you have your chicken. Does that look good and easy? All right, so now we're gonna do the rest. Just like that. And now we have one more step that you could totally skip if you want to keep this more keto friendly and low carb. All right, so you're gonna take your little rollatini and we're just gonna roll it in breadcrumbs. You do not need to put this in an egg wash because we don't want that many breadcrumbs on it, but just a nice little light coating. See, just like that. And then we're gonna go right on top of the tomatoes that we prepped earlier. All right, so we're gonna do the rest. Just like that. And now we're gonna add another ingredient. We're gonna add 1/2 cup of a dry white wine. If you don't have wine in the house or you don't want to use wine, you could always just use chicken stock or chicken broth, even vegetable broth if you want. But I'm using a Sauvignon Blanc. You want a nice dry one, but any wine you have in the house would be fine, except not red or rosé or blush. Now we're gonna top this with the other cup of shredded mozzarella. That's right on top. Then what we're going to do is we're going to cover this with foil, and then into our preheated 375 degree oven, it's going to go for 1 hour. We're going to keep it covered for 1/2 hour. After 1/2 hour, we're going to uncover it and then cook it for an additional 1/2 hour. So 1 hour total is all it takes. You know, if your chicken's a little bit thicker, if you have a meat thermometer, that would be a good time to pull it out because you want the internal temperature to be 165. Nobody wants salmonella. All right, but into the, cover foil, 1/2 hour covered, 1/2 hour uncovered. Yum. And exactly 1 hour later, it's done. 30 minutes covered, 30 minutes uncovered. Look how bubbly and delicious and crispy it got. Looks so good. But we're gonna allow this to cool just for a minute or two. Then we're gonna plate it up and give it a try. Oh, I can't wait. Yum. Buon appetito. Mmm. Mmm. So juicy, creamy from the ricotta. You get the parmigiano, the mozzarella, the garlic, the basil. That prosciutto just brings it all together. The chicken's not bad either. So if you try this recipe, let us know. You're gonna love it. Absolutely love it. We'll see you again soon. Love you guys.
If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Poppy's Cucina. Thanks!
So good. I should have called this chicken a la Poppy. Well, are you ready for that drink? I'm ready. Let's do this. Oh yeah. Alrighty, so for today's bunny hop, we're going to start with 1.5 ounces of banana liqueur. Then we're going to do 3/4 of an ounce of vodka. 3/4 of an ounce of rum. Two and a half ounces of pineapple juice. And we do 1/2 ounce of dragon fruit syrup. If you don't have the dragon fruit syrup, you could always just do grenadine. A little bit of that. Alrighty, so now we're gonna give it a good shaky. And we pour. Let's see. Oh, look how pretty that is. Oh, it's gonna be so tasty. Yum. Time to give it a try. Salute. Love that it just smells like banana. Wow. Tastes like a banana smoothie. It's a little sweet. You get a little alcohol burn, but it's not much. But wow, this is refreshing. What a great spring cocktail. Or even the summer. Hurry up, summer. So if you try this drink, let us know. If you try that amazing chicken rollatini with the prosciutto and ricotta. Fantastic. I'm literally making it for Easter because it was so good. So let us know if you try that too. Thank you so much for watching. Please keep your suggestions coming. I love hearing from you guys. Love you guys so much. Mwah.